Today we'll learn how to easily grow spring onions from store-bought onions. But before that, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries. To grow spring onions, you need to take soil and compost in equal quantities and the sprouted onions along with a container which is deep enough with holes at the bottom. I will mix the two ingredients to prepare the potting medium for these onions which I have sprouted. I will link the video in which I showed you how I easily sprouted these onions in the I button here. And once the potting media is mixed, you have to fill the container halfway through with this potting media and then bury these onion bulbs with the sprouted end on top and the end with the roots at the bottom. I'll show you how exactly you need to do this. So one by one I'm placing the onions around each other. I've taken a very small container because I'm growing these onions only for spring onions and nothing else. So I'll set the onions properly in the soil and then I'll cover most of the bulbs with the remaining amount of potting medium that I have. You don't want to entirely bury the onion, you should leave some gap at the top. And after you are done, the next step would be to water them thoroughly. You don't need to water them every day. You only need to water them when the top layer of the soil feels dry. And the soil has to be well draining, otherwise the bulbs of the onions will rot. So you can see how fast the soil is absorbing the water and it is getting thoroughly drenched because the soil is very well draining. And see, after about 5 minutes the water has been absorbed and I have kept this at a sunny location, and just after 3 days this is the result. I'll wait for some more days before I can harvest the spring onions. The process, as you can see, is very easy. You can definitely try it at home with 100% success rate. Please try this out and let me know how you liked it.